Celestron 127 SLT computerized telescope, which I will be unboxing. This is the another box containing that telescope. This is the Celestron Nexstar S127 SLT computerized telescope, and this is a Smith-Cassegrain and type of focusing, wherein the aperture also contains the mirror. The overview, what's inside the box, that I am taking it out. Tripod with mount. This is a mount and this is a tripod. This is one box, this is another box. Maybe for the adjustment, this is an empty box. A controller, wherein you can control the movement of the telescope. Finder scope. This is a finder scope, wherein you can. This helps in finding out the stars and planets. For diagonal mirror. These two are eyepieces, Celestron eyepieces. One is 25 mm, another is 9 mm. This is a stand plate for fixing up the tripod as well as keeping some material there. It fixed like this. It goes like this. And you see here a nice telescope. Let me check the mirror. Wonderful. This is the thing.